Hello everyone, this is Shraddha Bhurre from IIPSDA Indore, and today we'll discuss about how to obtain Simpson rule using Newton-Cotes formula. So we have to familiar with the Newton-Cotes formula, that is limits a to b f of x equals to nh summation I equals to 0 to n yicin. Here yicin is Cotes number and its formula is given by 1 by n limits a to b li of x dx. So here at x equals to a, our u equals to 0. That is, when we substitute x equals to a in this, we'll find u equals to 0. And when we substitute x equals to b, we'll find u equals to n. Here x equals to b means x equals to a plus nh. And our li of x is given by x minus x0 into x minus x1 and so on up to x minus xn upon xi minus x0 into xi minus x1 up to xi minus xn. Now by this formulas, now we're deriving Simpson one-third rule using Newton codes. For this we have to put n equals to 2 in equation 1. Our equation 1 is this, that is limits a to a plus nh f of x equals to nh summation I equals to 0 to n yicin. Now we put n equals to 2 in our equation. We'll find 2h summation I equals to 0 to 2 yici2. Here yici2 its Cotes number, and we have to find all Cotes number, that is c02, c12 and c22 by the formula given here, 1 upon n limits a to a plus nh li of x dx. Now substituting value of n here, that is 1 by 2 0 to n l of 0 u du. Our formula for L0 of u du will be u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon 0 minus 1, that is for which number we have to find the Cotes number, 0 minus 1 and 0 minus 2. So by this we'll find our value for C02 after integrating our function and substituting the value of limits is 1 by 6. Now we'll follow the same procedure and we'll find the value for C12, that is 1 by n limits 0 to a 0 to b and l of I of x dx. Now here L1u is given by u minus 0 into u minus 2 upon 1 minus 0 into 1 minus 2, and after integrating this function and substituting limit 0 to 2, we'll find the answer for C12, that is here is 2 by 3. Now for C22, again we have to integrate the value of L2 of u du, and our value for this is by our formula u minus 0 into u minus 1 upon 2 minus 0 into 2 minus 1. Now integrating this function and after substituting the limits, we will find our answer for C22, that is 1 by 6. Now putting values of C02, C12 and C22 in equation 2, that is in this equation, we'll find our Simpson one-third formula. That is, when we substitute the this Cotes number in this, we'll find the Simpson's one-third rule, that is h by 3 y0 plus 4y1 plus y2. Now for obtaining Simpson 3 by 8 rule, we will put n equals to 3 in Newton's Cotes formula. Our Newton Cotes formula is limits a to a plus nh f of x equals to nh summation I equals to 0 to n yicin. So now we substitute the value of n equals to 3 here. So here this function will become 3h summation I equals to 0 to 3 yici3. Now here we have to find the 4 Cotes number, that is from C03 to C33, and again we follow the same procedure as we have followed in Simpson one-third rule. Now substituting the value of Li of u, that is here will be u minus 1 into u minus 2 into u minus 3 upon 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 3. Here 0 is the number for which we have to find the course number. Now after integrating this function, we'll find and substituting the value of limits, we'll find 1 by 8 at C03. Again follow the same procedure for C13, that is 1 upon n, that is 1 upon 3, limit 0 to n, 0 to 3, and our Li of u will be u minus 0, u minus 2, u minus 3, and 1 minus 0 into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3. Here 1 is a number for which we have to find the course number. After integrating this function and substitute the value of limits, we'll find our answer 3 by 8 for C13. Now for C23, we'll follow the same procedure and we'll find our answer 3 by 8 for C23. And last for C33, we'll find our answer 1 by 8. And now substituting this all course number, that is C03, C13, C23 and C33 in equation 3. That is in this equation, we'll find our Simpson 3 by 8 rule. That is when we substitute this in this formula, the simplified form of this function will be 3h by 8 y0 plus 3y1 plus 3y2 plus y3, and this is our Simpson 3 by 8 rule. So now we have find our Simpson 1/3 rule and 3 by 8 rule by the Newton Cotes rule. Thank you for watching.